Alright, so I was just trying to make a quick video of how this thing works, and here's your user manual. It comes with a little pouch for the camera, which is cool. All your cables and everything that you need to plug it and keep it charged. You get a couple batteries as well with it, so that's always a plus. The little wall charger, and it comes with a USB plug as well. This is really cool. It's got the USB drive, and it says all-in-one mini multi-in-one memory card reader. That is so cool. I've never seen one of these. And it's got that for all the cards, and this one right here, I don't know how to use it. I guess I need to find out, but you know, sometimes I really love technology. Like, I hate it, but sometimes I really just love how creative people can be. You know, this is awesome. And what else? Oh, the little remote control, which I'm not sure what this is for because I've never seen a remote control for a camera. But give me a second, I'm trying to get rid of the plastic. But I have not used the camera, I literally just received it. But I just wanted to show you how it came, and we'll be testing it out very shortly, and I will let you know how it does. So far, I love that it's compact, it's small, it's not very heavy, so I guess you have to be careful. At the same time, it's nice that it's not super heavy like other cameras that I've had before. But you know, I like that it's small, it's compact, and that it doesn't take too much space for you know, like big old cameras. So that's cool. And anyways, apparently this is like a high quality HD definition. Oh, it's got also night vision, digital zoom, face detect, 30.0 megapixels, still image recording, and yeah. All right, so I'm gonna be checking this out here shortly. I guess I gotta charge it as well in order to use it. But so far I like it. I like what it comes with. I like that it's very complete camera. And I have to figure out how to turn this on so I can show you the quality on the video as well. So but yeah, it seems like I need to, let me see if it's got some battery on it. Nope. No, I need to plug everything on. So I will be editing my review as soon as I figure this out, and I'll let you know how it goes. Okay, but so far it's great. It's a very affordable camera as well. You can gift this to somebody. Great for your family, you know, small, you don't need too much. You can put your SIM cards. I mean, it's so cool. I really like it.